Alrighty, World Time Attack, round 3, 4, I don't know how many times I've come here. Well, I don't know where he's sending us. We're doing a big old loop. I'm gonna change gears. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. For real. It's got to be faster, and they've just got to go out and find that setup and start again. And sometimes the light fast instead, you really find that initial, the latest from now on. But if anything, you can take maybe some consolation out of going through. Too much momentum out of there, and she's still trying to be. Didn't even turn there. Not at all. We saw him just get that front right tyre out into the dust, but before it really locked up. The rear tyre as well. Locks the brakes up. You can see the dust up on the sidewalk. You can see the flex in the sidewalk. Lost traction. Manages to get that up. Just about anything you want in the car, you can get away. Just about anything that so that's day 1 done of World Time Attack. Tyson came and hung out for the day. Day 2, we're going to get a lot more filming and a lot more photos, just because it's going to be a much longer day. But yeah, day 2, we're going to have Rachel there as well, because she's going to be coming and tagging along with me for that one. There's a fat Rexy here, full wide body and everything. I'm going to chuck the window down and see if we can get it. And he's gone. That was mad. Look at this one. Racing to watch. Let's go. Let's go, Rachel. World Time Attack. Alright, cool. Hurry up. Let's go.
I don't trust nobody. I don't even trust my mind. I'm losing everybody. They can never take the grind. People always switching sides. People always in my line. Never ask me how I'm doing. They just wanna waste my time. See, I don't hate nobody. Just stay up on my life and I won't hurt nobody. So just stay up on my sights. People always pull me down. Labels told me that I drown. When you living how I'm living, all these leeches come around. So we don't trust nobody. We don't even trust our minds. We're losing everybody. From them drugs to suicide. I was always getting high. Never took a look outside. I was living in the dark, thinking I would never shine. No, I got everybody. If I want it, then it's mine. See, I help everybody. I gave it back when it was time. I was broken, I was down. I was lost, but now I'm found. I was fighting in the trenches with no one ever around. So fuck everybody. If you want it, come and get it. I won't hurt nobody. I'm a motherfucking menace. I was showering at the school. I was sleeping out the Civic. I was skipping all my meals. I was reaching all my limits. I don't trust nobody. I don't even trust my mind. I'm losing everybody. They can never take the grind. People always switch the side.
The coolest thing just happened. I have a fan. An actual fan. Like someone I didn't know, he just kind of turned up to me and he's like, "Oh, are you Subway?" I was like, "Yeah." And he's like, "The one from YouTube?" I was like, "Yeah."
Shout out to that fan.
Yeah. Like, we didn't really get anything of any of the racing. Yeah, we spent the whole time at the car meet. That would have echoed so much in there as well.